This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up, guys? Aripur is here, and welcome to episodes volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find company phone number with using Facebook page. At first, right click on the company name, then click on the copy. Minimize the Excel program. Open Google Chrome. Type google.com in the address bar. Now paste the company name on here and press enter. Right click on the Facebook link twice as same as the company name. Then click on the open link in a new tab. Then open the tab. Just make sure the company location, because company location is important issue to find a correct data. Page up a little bit. Look here carefully in the about section. Here you can see the company phone number. If you are unable to get phone number from this about, click on the about. Page up a little bit. Look here carefully in the contact info section. Here you can be able to find company phone number.